Good evening. Today's article name a review of article on the role of a Jalauka Ucharan as an adjuvant therapy in a one open angle glaucoma. Uh, this article published in the European Journal of Pharmaceutical and the Medical Research, written by Dr. Bhagyashri P. Mehtre and Dr. Yachan Umale. Abstract. Rakta Mokshan is a type of a Panchakarma. It is a process of elimination of a Vayateda dosha that accumulated in the body. Siraveda and Jalaka Ucharana are the type of Rakta Mokshana. These procedures are described in the management of all the systemic diseases, including the diseases for Karana, Nasa, Mukha, Netra, and Shira. According to the Ayurveda, the diseases of eye caused by the Vayatation of a three dosha. Jaloka Ucharana is a bloodletting therapy which removes the Vayated dosha from the body. Jaloka Ucharan is an effective blood purification therapy in the uh, in which carefully controlled removal of small quantity of a blood is conducted to neutralize accumulated Vayated pitta and rakta dosha of many bloodborne diseases. This is because of a decreased quantum of enhanced pitta dosha and rakta dosha. Thus, a decreased cause of a pitta and rakta dosha are also relieved. Open angle glaucoma is an eye disease that is characterized by wide and open angle with an unstable and sustained increase in intraocular pressure with which the eye can't withstand damage to its structure and the impairment of its function. In open angle glaucoma, Jaloka Ucharana will facilitate drainage of an aqueous humor through the trabecular meshwork by creating a negative pressure in the vein present locally. Rakta Moksha, it is one of the Panchakarma Ayurvedic treatment of a detoxification. It is made up of two words, that is a Rakta and a Mokshana, that is a to live. And combining both these words make a Rakta Mokshana, means to let out the blood. A detailed description of Rakta Mokshan is available in the Ayurvedic text. There are two main types of Rakta Moksha: Shastra Vistravana, that is by using a mental instrument, and the two types prachana, that is bloodletting through the multiple incision, and siravet, bloodletting through the vein puncture. Anushastraha Vistravana, that is without the use of a metal instrument. Three type of a Jalauka Ucharana, application of a leech indicated for the Vayated of a Pitta dosha. Shrunga Ucharana, sucking through the cow's horn, indicated for the Vata dosha, and the Alabo, vacuum extraction by Alabo, that is the bottle guard, indicated for Vayated Kapha dosha. In Ayurveda surgery text, Rakta Mokshana is considered as a partial or a complete treatment in itself. Jaloka Ucharana, the word leech is derived from the leech, which means a physician. Jaloka is derived from a Sanskrit word due to their site of a dwelling, and a nutrition source is a jala. Leech are segmented worms belonging to the phylum Annelida. Jaloka Ucharana is also known as a leech therapy and a Hirudi therapy. Acharya Sushruta described a yantra in a sutra sthana along with the upayantra and a anushastraha. Agni Sharah Raktamokshan by Jaloka is described under the Upayantra as well as the Anushastra. Aim and objective: to reveal the role of a Jaloka Ucharana in open angle glaucoma, to reveal the importance of a Jaloka Ucharana as a parasurgical procedure in a Netra Roga. Material and method: types of leeches. In Sushruta Samhita, 12 types of leeches are mentioned. These are classified into two main categories: Nirvisha Jaloka and Savisha Jaloka. Nirvisha Jaloka, that is a non-poisonous. Kapila, Pingala, Shankhamukhi, Mushika, Pundirikumuki, and a Savarikaha. Savisha Jaloka, Krishna Karvura, Alagardaha, Indrayudha, Samudrika, and the Gochandana. Collection of leeches, as described in the Sushruta Samhita, leeches should be collected from the ponds and the lakes with the help of a piece of a wet leather. As described in the Charak Samhita, Sharad Rutu is the best for leech collection. In autumn, water is detoxified by the exposure of the hot climate in a daytime and cold climate in a night time. The popular method of collecting leeches is by using a large tin can with the small pores at the top of a can. Selection of leeches who are a bulky, that is a Mahashariraha, stout, that is a Balavatya, glutinous, that is a Mahashana, fast blood suckers, that is a Shrunga Pivinio, which moves quickly, live in fresh water, and of a non-poisonous varieties are suitable for the leech application. Storage of a leech, as mentioned in a Sushru Samhita, leech should be stored in new big wide pot containing a clean water and mud from a tax and ponds. Powder of a moss, dried meat, and the aquatic tuber should be given for a feeding. Straw and the aquatic plant should be provided for making their breed. After 3 days, water should be changed quickly. Nowadays, the leeches are kept in a glass bottle or a jars with a lid which prevent the leeches from the coming out. Small holes should be made in the lid to let in the fresh air. It is better to fill the jar with water from their natural habitat. Aquatic plant and the grass is put into a jar. The water is in a container is changed once a week. The leeches are not fed in order to make them hungry. It is believed that this would enhance the sucking ability to the leeches. Purification of leeches for the application. According to Ayurveda, medicinal leeches should be carefully identified and properly purified before using a Jaloka Ucharan. According to Sushru Samhita, a paste prepared with the mustard, turmeric, water should be applied on the body of leeches. They should be kept in the vessel of water for about 48 minutes muhurta till they got rid of their exhaustion. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, leeches should be purified by keeping them in a medicated water. These may be prepared by mixing turmeric powder, uncooked rice, water, buttermilk for a short time. After the purification, leeches should be kept in a pure water. Netra Roga Samprapti. Prakupito Tridosha, violated by the Hetu Sevana, goes through the Urdhvagami seer of a netra and produces a Daruna Netra Roga. Netra is a site of Alochaka Pitta. The properties of a Pitta and Rakta are the same as they have a Ashraya Ashriya Bhava. In such a condition, Jaloka Ucharan is useful. In a Retra Roga produced by the Rakta Dushti and Pitta Dushti. Rakta Dhatu is very important for its Jivaniya Karma. Indication: following eye diseases are treated with Rakta Mokshan. Abhishanda of all time, that is a conjunctivitis. Adimantha means a glaucoma of all time. Sira Harsha, that is inflammation. Sirotpad, that is a hyperemia. Puyalas, acute dactylocystitis. Vata Paryaya, that is ocular pain. Anyanovata, ocular pain. Sash of Akshipaka, purulent conjunctivitis. Ashop of Akshipaka, conjunctivitis. Complicated condition of arm, that is a pterygium. Savarna Shukla, corneal ulcer. Pittajatimira, painless loss of vision. Kafajatimira, painless loss of vision. Contraindication: very young, old, emaciated, exhausted, suffering from the high fever, convulsion, or the unconscious patient. General swelling of the body, wasting due to unhealthy diet, anemia, piles, and the pregnant woman. Best time for the Jalauka Ucharan: cloudless day in a rainy season, cool day in a summer, noon in a winter. Site of a Jalauka Ucharana: Lalata, that is a frontal area, Pangasandhi, that is the outer canthus, and the Upanasya, that is the inner canthus. Jalauka Ucharana procedure: Purvakarma, purification of a leech by the pouring a leech in the haridra and water. Part preparation: site should be clean with the help of a turmeric water. Pradhana Karma, application of a honey or a blood or a butter or by the prachana at the side. Application of a leech through its front end, that is the mouth, and cover the leech by the wet cotton. Removal of a leech by dusting a haridra churna after the completion of a blood letting. Paschat Karma, induction of a emesis to a leech by dusting the haridra churna on its mouth, and sometime pressing the leech from the caudal to a front end is required for the proper emesis. Leech should be freed in a fresh water where it swims swiftly and then settle down. Replace the leeches in a clean jar and the aquarium. Dusting of a Lodra churna and bandaging over the bite site. Glaucoma, an eye disease that is characterized by an unstable or an sustained increase in an intraocular pressure, which the eye can't withstand damage to its structure and the impairment of its function. Glaucoma is a group of eye disease resulting in damage to the optic nerve and the vision loss. It has a multifactorial etiology and characterized by the progressive optic neuropathy, resulting in a characteristic appearance of optic disc and specific pattern of irreversible visual field effect that is associated frequently but not with the invariably with raised intraocular pressure. There are several types of glaucoma. The two main types are open angle and the angle closure. These are marked by an increase in intraocular pressure inside the eye. Open angle glaucoma, it is the most common form of glaucoma. It is caused by the slow clogging canals resulting in an increased eye pressure. It has a wide open angle between its iris and a cornea. Pathophysiology, the underlying cause of open angle glaucoma remains unclear. However, the major risk factor for the most glaucoma and the focus of treatment is increased intraocular pressure. Intraocular is a function of a production of a lipid aqueous humor by ciliary process of a eye, and it's a drainage through the trabecular mesh work via the scleral venous sinus into the scleral plexus and the general body circulation. Whenever there is a block in a drainage process due to the degeneration and the obstruction of a trabecular meshwork, intraocular pressure increases, causing damage to the optic nerve. Discussion: Jaloka Uchrana removes not only blood from the body but also inject biologically active substances which help to manage the various disorders. Leech therapy facilitates drainage of aqueous humor through the trabecular meshwork. As the leech sucks a peripheral blood, it increases a negative pressure in the vein present locally and the facilitated drainage. Number of a setting may be required depending upon the improvement of the patient. Hirudin also helps in reducing the blood thickness, thereby promoting the optimum blood flow and preventing the risk associated with the sluggish blood flow. The patient who suffers from the pain and inflammation will feel a relief from the anti-inflammatory and the anesthetic effect of a leech saliva. According to Ayurveda, diseases are occurred by the vitiation of a dosha. The vitiated dosha can get accumulated in a struthus which causes a blockages and may lead to a disease. Many diseases could be treated with the leech application. Probable mode of action of a Jaloka Ucharana. The probable mode of action of a Jaloka is the purification of a body by removing deeply seated toxins and the pacifying the vital dosha. A healthy cell gets sick. It is deprived of needed oxygen and nutrition, and it is unable to remove the toxins accumulated during a metabolism. Biologically active substances in a leech saliva helps the cell to absorb the necessary nutrition and eliminate toxins. These modality falls under the purification therapy which cleanses the body and helps in a maintenance of health. Conclusion: Jalauka Ucharan is described under a Raktamokshan of a Panchakarma of Ayurveda. It is one of the very effective treatment modality for the treating of various Netra Roga as well as in a many systemic diseases. It is also helpful in the adjuvant therapy in a glaucoma. When a leech is applied to a biologically active areas of the human body, the bite itself gives a positive effect. According to a modern science, leech saliva contain a hirudin hyaluronidase enzyme which act as an anticoagulant, local anesthetic, anti-inflammatory, vasodilator, antithrombotic, hypotensive, analgesic effect. Hence, more effort should be undertaken to optimize these utilization. More clinical trial to assess a leech efficiency and safety in the treatment of a glaucoma. It is very easy to learn and apply the parasurgical procedure like a Jalauka Ucharana in the management of a different surgical condition where a surgery is not possible to treat the condition or there is a great chance of recurrence of a disease as in a glaucoma. This process provides a lot of options for the surgeon as it is easy to perform, less chance of a recurrence, control bleeding, no need of a suture, less post-operative hemorrhage and the minimal pain. Therefore, it is a helpful as adjuvant therapy in a common angle glaucoma. Thank you so much for listening me. A review of article on the role of a Jalauka Ucharan adjuvant therapy as in a angle